ducks went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 called Mama so loud, but one little duck got lost in the crowd. 4 little ducks went out to play, skipping and splashing all the day. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Down by the stream and under the tree, one little duck said, "Let me be free." 3 little ducks went out to play, waddling fast and far away. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. They danced in the flowers, played hide and seek, but one little duck stayed near the creek. 2 little ducks went out to play, finding frogs along the way. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. One loved the pond, one loved the sun, now only one came back for fun. 1 little duck went out to play, all alone at the end of the day. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but no little ducks came running back. Oh no, Mama's all alone. Where did her ducklings roam? Sad Mama duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck cried, quack, 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 and 5 little ducks came running back. They hugged and quacked with happy cheer, all 5 ducklings came back near. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon, guys. Bye!